Hi, I'm Colton Conley. This is the Boise door location. I'm going to run you guys through the process of prepping. This right here is what we call the stitcher. This is an automatic system that runs a door stop and connects it to the door jamb.
The first thing we do
is put the top of the door jamb, where it's got the indent, right into the machine. And we put the door stop right on top of it. Make sure it's set in place. Before any of that happens though, we do a maintenance on it, which means we make sure everything's clean and everything's running well. Make sure it's turned off with the slam of the red button, and a lockout tagout procedure. You always unplug it before you ever put your hands into it. With this, we get a solution and we wipe down all the rollers. We check the air pressure on the guns to make sure it's running correctly. We make sure everything is lined up. When that is good, then we continue on. We'll plug it back in and get started. Now that everything is checked, pull the red button, make sure the rollers are going. Make sure you're locked in and secure. Guide it for a certain distance until it catches and rolls. Make sure you turn the button off before you step away from the machine. There's too many things that can go on while it's running. We want to be safe. We want to make sure everything's okay. Make sure it's not rolling. Final product will look just like this. You'll have several nails that nail it to the door stop, and that is the procedure of running a jamb through the stitcher.